I
Unlocking
love
your
you.
body's natural healing
I
power,
love
a
you.
3-minute routine.
I
In today's fast-paced world, we often disregard our body's innate ability to heal and restore balance. Remember, your health is your wealth. Imagine a life where pain and ailments don't hold you back. A life where your body's energy flows freely, keeping you vibrant and healthy. Our 3-minute routine will guide you to rediscover this natural equilibrium. Simple, non-invasive and designed for everyone. Consistency is the key to unlocking this healing. We'll delve into understanding your body, pinpointing the root cause of ailments, and eliminating them. It's not about masking symptoms, it's about holistic healing. Invest in yourself. 3 minutes daily can lead to a lifetime of well-being. It's time to take control. No more pain, just pure, potent energy. Start your journey today. Empower yourself to live a healthier, pain-free life. Your body will thank you.